I'll show you how to sort, store, and style your way to an organized home. These days, our kids' learning situations have changed, so our homes need to change along with them. But if you're not a professional organizer, don't worry, I have 5 tips to help you organize your virtual learning space. First, purchase a desk. A desk is one of the most important pieces for your virtual classroom. Our desk is part of a shelving system, but you can use a table or a traditional desk. Before this setup, our space was designed for play. Now, work is the main focus. Do all this, and you can transform your space from this to this.
I love my new space.
I have 2 boys, Ethan and Gavin, and the reason I designed it the way that I did is I wanted each kid to have their own dedicated area to hang their things. I've separated the space with a hamper and then shelving here. The next space is a play/office area for my kids. So this is a former walk-in closet. I designed this, and the reason I did it was so they would have space to do their homework, color, play on the computer, but then also have access to their toys. Just like we all have homes, every item should have a place where it lives, whether it's in a bin, whether it's on a shelf. If you make sure everything has a place, they'll know where to put it away, and then they'll know where to find it when they need it. During our sort process, we're gonna figure out the things that we need to toss, things that we need to donate, and figure out the things that we need to keep.
First old man noise, huh? And this is sexy, right?
Donate.
Well, I still might take up golf.
You've never used them. We're done.
All right.
So now that we've stored everything, it's time to style it. So we'll get a new chandelier, we'll hang the picture, and get some window treatments, so then the space is pretty and livable, and it'll feel a lot more like home.
I'm Naeemah Ford Goldson with Restore Order Professional Organizing. And as a wife, mother, and businesswoman, I'm constantly trying to streamline my tasks so I can get back to enjoying my family. Here, I'll be sharing products I love, organizing tips and tricks, and a few crafting tutorials. So make sure to come back and check in with me. And remember, get organized, go further.
You've created a filing system. Some of it's for sheets and some of it's for t-shirts, but I love this idea. Have you ever tried to, you're probably thinking, how am I going to put a fitted sheet in there because it's massive, it's all over the place. She has a great tip on how to fold a fitted sheet. All right, there you go. It's
all
a
right,
mess.
so usually this is how the sheets look, right? Okay, so what you're going to do, and it's pretty simple. So you're going to hold the sheet out, and it'll be lengthwise. You'll find those pockets right there.
The corners?
Yep, the corner pockets.
Okay.
And then I just like to clap my hands together and fold it over.
One into the other.
Exactly. So we
Okay.
fold one end into the other, and then we slide down to the other side, and then we join those pockets together as well. They kind of automatically will go. And then I'm just going to adjust this a little bit.
Okay.
All right, so this is how we're looking right now. So corner pockets on each side, and then let's clap our hands again and fold it over. So then it will look like this. So you'll have...
This is where I get tripped up.
Right. So, and this is a part when you want to lay it down. So you can see the corners right over here, and then we'll lay it flat.
Oh, laying it down.
So that's the tip, you know, to really help you get that smooth looking fold. So we'll fold it in thirds. So we'll go over one, and we'll smooth it out, and then we'll go over another, and we'll smooth it out like that.
Oh, very nice.
Then I like to fold it in half. And then depending on how you store your items, you can fold it in half again or fold it in thirds. I like to fold it in thirds, so just because it makes it a little bit smaller.
Very
And there we go.